So here comes the moment we all been waiting for. Android 11 launch for the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So today I'm gonna show you guys some of its features and how to install this on your own device as well. So let's get started. So as you can see, it is Android 11. Let me show you guys on the settings. So it's based on the Pixel 2. So here you can clearly see it's based on Android 11, and while tapping it you will see this awesome logo of the Android 11. So here is knob, and as you can see the system update security patch is up to date, is based on the September 5. So now I'm gonna show you guys some of the features. So first features I really like. So once you go to the notes or anything you want to copy, here you can just select this option and here you can easily copy any text you want. So that's pretty cool. Also you can take screenshot of this. You don't need to scroll down and take a screenshot. You can easily do it from here. As you can see, you can even crop the screenshot as well. So that's pretty cool, right? Also another great feature is the silent notifications. Here you will get two notifications. One is important and the other one is silent, which means you will see the two different notifications on the notification panel. Which also on the notification bar, here you will get option for the battery saver and stuff. Also you will get this new screen recorder, which you can record your device audio as well. Also you will get music recognition features. So if in case you are playing any music at your home, it will automatically recognize the music. So right now it's not working, but with the new update it will surely work. Also you will get option for the live captions. So here as you can see I turn this on. So once you turn this on the Google, here you will see the the stock Android. You won't get any bloatware. So here as you can see it's not perfect of course, but it works perfectly. If you want to turn this off, you can easily click here as you can see, and yeah, that's pretty cool. Also while you opening the notification, you will see the wallpaper is moving little bit, so that's pretty cool as well. Also you will able to see the apps that are running in the background. You will see that's red bar on the apps that are running in the background. So now I'm gonna play PUBG to see how well it can run on the Android 11. First let me show you guys the settings. So as you can see here you will get option for the HD and high. Of course I'm gonna play on HD and high. So as you can see it's running really smoothly on HD and high settings. The frame rate is around 30 fps. So yeah, that's enough of the PUBG. So yeah, anyways, now I'm gonna show you guys how you can install this Android on Redmi Note 7 Pro. So yeah, let's get started. So just press the power and the volume up key to go to the recovery mode. Once you go to the recovery mode, just wipe everything except internal storage. Now go back, install the firmware. If you want this, I will put link in the description, let me know. Now install the ROM, which also I will give link in the description to download if you want to download. So once you're done all this crap, just Fcrypt disabler. So yeah, that's it. Now restart your device, go to the system, and now wait. Here you will see this Google logo, so that means you install it successfully, and it will take a while to load the screen. Also, you don't need to complete the setup. So here, as you can see, that's it. Here you can see the Android 11. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification. You should disable this time always on display, because it can ruin your display. Just search for the always on. Here you will able to see, and turn this off. So now you won't able to see that clock.